My advice will be ask questions. Go out of your comfort zone and like do things that you don't know. Like when you're assigned like a task and then you're like, oh, I don't have any experience in that, like do it. Like try to gain, and you'll be surprised like how much knowledge and experience you gain from like that task that you're assigned to. I would say that before my co-op, I thought like IT support was just like, oh, my computer is broken, help me fix it. But like I would say my co-op experience helped me realize that IT support is more than just like working with computers. It's also about working with people and being able to build like relationships with them and like deliver like your support while still maintaining like good communication with people. It's a people first role and it helped me gain that experience. Because of my co-op, I was able to relate with people more, because on a normal day, I wouldn't really just like start up like conversations, but like because of my job now, I have to be able to reach out to people and like talk to them and like convince them to do stuff like update their software even when they don't want to. Yeah. So it was my first term at UVic, and I remember going for a career fair. I remember seeing like, oh, reliable controls. I think I've had like a conversation with like a staff there or something. The role looks good, like it's in IT and like I want to do IT, so like why not apply? So I applied and I got the job. Everyone was really welcoming, and I realized that like my team members and like my colleague, everyone just wanted me to do well, like excel. So I would say like it was very collaborative and supportive. And also I would say this is a company that really looks out for like, they want the employees to have a very good work-life balance. It just felt like I fit in, honestly. So when the opportunity came to apply for a full-time job, I was like, I'm going to do like transition to a full-time employee. I was like, yeah, I'm going to take this option because like I do like my job and I like where I work. Yeah. I had several mentors, I guess, because I would like to look at all my team members as like my mentors because they all helped me in different aspects. And I would say they also challenged me to take like, so if I had like a problem and like I went to meet someone, they would like walk me through it, but not like exactly walk me through it. They would still want me to take initiative and like do it by myself. So like to build my confidence, which was really good. Yeah, so I had several mentors. It's a nice building. I'll just say, come walk with us. It's nice here. Yeah, come join us. You'll love it. Yeah.